Hey guys, this is Anya. Today I'd like to introduce for you guys is our new arrival of 4 Series 1 Para 180 ampere lithium-ion battery module. The brand is Cattle. Yes, we have new arrival for large stock of it. This is the module. Let me to open it for your reference. Okay, so you can see there have 4 pieces of 3.7 volt 180 ampere hour lithium ion cell inside. Here is the label of Cattle CATL. It is totally brand new. We already tested the capacity out. The capacity is around 182 ampere hour. And here is the date of such module. The date is 2090. Those all our stock for large stock of 355 battery module. Most customers to order 24 pieces to make 63 kilowatts hour energy for their Nissan Leaf car replacement. If you want to know more details about it, please contact with us freely. Thank you.